Hello, I'm Guy Woodford, the new editor of Aggregates Business Europe and Aggregates Business International. On today's Construction TV show at Hillhead 2014, it's all about loading and hauling.
Trimble Dimensions Conference present the Hillhead Review. Dimensions helps improve your operations with expert civil and aggregates ideas sessions, working machines, and product displays, including Trimble load ride systems. This November, Las Vegas, Nevada. Register at TrimbleDimensions.com.
Exciting news at the finning stand here at Hillhead 2014. We've got the European show launch of the M-Series wheeled loaders.
On the stand here we've got a 972M and working in the display we've got a 982M, which is a new model to our wheel loader range. The M-Series will show significant fuel savings over the previous one by probably 10%, and Finning are backing that up with their Finning Fuel Promise, which provides customers with an assurance that the fuels that we're stating they'll save, we're putting our money where our mouth is to prove that fact.
Doosan has much to offer the quarrying sector, including a crawler excavator making its Hillhead show debut.
This is the Dash 3 DX 530. It's a 53-ton excavator. It's got a Mass-X rig which has slightly shorter boom, medium stick. Ideal for mass excavation, for quarry work, heavy block lifting. And one of the big unique features of this machine is it has a very wide undercarriage. It's retracted at the moment, but it can be extended, goes out to 3.9 metres, which is the widest of any excavator in its class. What does that give you? It gives you fantastic lift over the side at full reach. We can lift with a 3-ton rock grapple, 13-ton at full reach over the side. An extremely competent 53-tonner.
I'm with Mark Turnham, Mines and Quarries Manager for Hitachi Construction Machinery UK. Mark, I just want to talk a bit about Hitachi's big push this week back into the quarrying sector.
We produce world-class machines for quarrying and mining, and in the UK we need to have a big push back into that sector. We've got the ZW330 behind me. It's been sold to Morris and Perry's in the Mendips. It's the first ZW330-5 into the UK. One of the big key factors of this machine is the visibility with the sculpted bonnet coming back to the back of the machine. Hitachi has spent a lot of time developing this new model, talking to customers globally about what they require. There's a lot of safety features on this machine. It's very fuel efficient as well. We've got the ZX870 LCR, which is a quarrying spec 90-ton class machine. We sold that off the stand yesterday to a key customer.
I'm at the Trimble load right stand looking at some of their very exciting crushing and screening performance monitoring solutions.
So this is our new 360 for loadout. And what we're doing is we're taking the information from the weighbridge system and we're integrating that with the scale with the weighbridge system. Reduces a lot of the extra work that an operator at the weighbridge needs to do, no double handling. And what we're doing is we're building up the trucks coming into the site and feeding that information directly from their system directly into the wheel loader. So when the wheel loader operator sees the trucks to be loaded, they can directly take a truck, click on a truck, and it will give them straight away the information. Need to load this truck with this material, this target weight. They finish the job, the information goes back to the office automatically and reduces all the double handling that's normally required. By optimizing the loading of the trucks, they can actually end up selling a little bit more. So we work on a 1% gain in both ways, and that gives them a considerable savings. The site supervisor can look and know where all his loaders are, what are they doing, what trucks are they loading, and so forth. The site manager can look at it and say what was happening on a production level, and they can aggregate the information, or they can look back down into the deep detail of it.
I'm at the Wacker Neuson stand with Mike Wolf, editor of World Highways. Mike, what's your thoughts on this year's show?
I think the show's been very good this year so far. I was speaking with the organisers yesterday, and they say there's been a very good number of people coming through the turnstiles. They also said they've managed to increase the number of exhibitors very slightly. I think from an international perspective, there's more international visitors than before. It's continuing its development in that respect. We're also seeing an interesting growth in the road machinery side because of the links between the asphalt and quarrying sector. There's always been a contingent of road machinery here. What also is interesting, we're seeing some companies here for the very first time. Wacker Neuson here behind us. is a specialist in compact machinery. They say they're here because they think this is a very credible show, and they want to have a presence here. They have some road machinery, but they feel it's a very good place to exhibit.
Case has big, heavy construction machine presence at this year's show and huge plans for the quarrying sector.
Case has been involved in the heavy line sector for many, many years. Our presence at Hillhead this year is larger than ever to hopefully show our customers what we can bring to their business. This is the flagship product, mass excavation machine, ideal for the quarry. Fantastic productivity, reliability, fuel efficiency also are the best in the business. It's absolutely critical that we are in the 50 tonne, 60 tonne, 70 tonne, 80 tonne business, also with the wheel loader range that we've got today.
I'm down at the Volvo Construction Equipment UK stand. Volvo got a very strong presence at the show this year. David, can you just tell us what you've got?
We've got the full range of products here, and we're tying in with Volvo trucks, Volvo Penta. Far too many machines to pick out one particular one. We've got a lot of new products here.
I'm with Richard Higgett, Bell Equipment UK's Sales and Marketing Manager. Richard, if you can tell us about the E-Series dump trucks you've got here at the show.
The E-Series is just a development from the D-Series. We've basically moved it on from having standard wet disc brakes. We've got improved fuel economy, improved cab, improved ground pressures, really taking the Bell product, which focuses on low weight, lowest cost per tonne and good fuel economy.
I'm with Jim Ward of JCB. We're talking about this exciting fuel-saving 457 wheeled loader, Jim.
Yes, the 457 is a new product launch for JCB, premiered at Hillhead 2014, bringing customers in from all over Europe and the Middle East and further afield as well, yeah, so we're very pleased. This is the first machine that features the JCB Command Plus cab, so this is absolutely unique in the marketplace now, gives us a real advantage with operator comfort, ergonomics, design, so yeah, a real standout feature on our new product.
Across our two shows here at Buxton, in the heart of the UK's Peak District, we've seen a fantastic wealth of new equipment and technology for the quarrying sector. It's clear manufacturers have listened to customers' calls for models offering greater operational reductions, higher productivity and greater reliability. If you'd like to see more programmes on recently launched new construction equipment, visit www.ConstructionTV.TV channel on YouTube. From me, Guy Woodford, and the rest of the Construction TV team, it's goodbye from Hillhead 2014.
Trimble and Loadrite brought you the Hillhead 2014 review. See you at Trimble Dimensions.